According to Numerology 2021, how will this year be of yours? So let's find out. Numerology 2021 gives you the total 5. 5 is worked with Mercury, that is Buddha. So this year will be mostly about how you utilize your knowledge. We have seen 2020 how it was. It was ruled by Ketu. So we had many pandemic in this year. So let's find out from your destiny number 1 to 9 how this year will be. So destiny number 1. It is ruled by Sun, यानी कि सूर्य. तो ये साल सूर्य और बुध का होगा, जिससे कि आपको थोड़ा सा संघर्ष करना पड़ेगा. You will have a little struggling life, but many problems related to marriage, if you are facing, it will be okay. It will get resolved. But you just have to keep in mind the month January and April while traveling, so that you avoid accidents. The remedy which you can do is, you can put the Surya Graha Yantra on your east wall to get more energy of sun. Destiny number 2, यानी कि Chandra, Moon and Mercury. How is they going to work? They will create some kind of what to do and what not to do in these illusions. So you have to take care that whatever you think, you apply at correct time and don't get disheartened or disturbed in your life. So what is the remedy? Remedy you can do is, you can wear a silver coin, or you can keep a silver coin at your home to get more energy related to moon. Destiny 3, यानी कि Guru, Jupiter and Mercury. How it will be? It will create a curiosity in your life where you have to know what is happening, where is happening, why it is happening. These all questions will appear in your mind. So you have to be careful and be stable. Whatever decisions you take, you should be in that decisions only. Don't change as per the third person if they say. And the relationship also will be very stable for number 3. What is the remedy? You can give some books related to anything to the students, so that you gain a lot of knowledge related to Guru. Destiny 4. 4 is related to Rahu. Rahu means only head, where you think and think and think. And Budh means Buddhi, knowledge. So this year for Destiny 4 will be just knowledge. So which can create irritation in your mind, where you will not be able to take decisions, but many problems will get solved easily, as if it was not solved in 2020. 2021 will be the best period for you, but you have to be careful and take decisions accordingly. So what is the remedy? You can apply Chandan on your forehead to get the Rahu intuitional power inside you, which will create a very fruitful year 2021. Destiny 5 and 2021 5. So 5 and 5, Budh and Budh will create a very good life, a very luxurious life, which will give you lot of health, wealth and income, where you can manage everything properly. So 2021 is very good and very lucky for number 5. So what remedies you can do? You can apply, or you can wear a citrine crystal bracelet on your right hand, which will create a good luck. Destiny number 6, यानी कि Shukra. So Shukra और Budh का कैसा होगा मिलाप? It will be like little bit ups and downs will be created in 2021. So you have to take proper care while signing up any paper or any documents. So what is the remedy you can do? Put some loving bird's photo or any statue in the northeast corner of your house. Destiny 7. That means Ketu. How will be the Ketu and Buddha? It will create only questions, where you have multiple questions and you want to go in every question's deep knowledge, why it has happened, whom and what. So the illusions to get what and why, this will create some mental disturbance in your mind. But according to finance, it will be very good period and you can create your own brand name. So what remedy you can do? You can wear a black thread on your left leg to get more signals and power. Destiny 8, that is Saturn, Shani. Shani and Buddha are very friendly planets where they are going to give you lot of benefits in 2021. As Shani will give you only work and work, while Buddha will apply the knowledge, and where the work was stopped, it will get created automatically and you will get full benefits in 2021. So what is the remedy which you can do? You can wear a golden watch on your hand to get the benefits of Saturn. Destiny 9, यानी कि मंगल और बुध क्रिएट होने से हम में थोड़ा और गुस्सा आ सकता है. हमें वो गुस्से को काबू करना है ताकि 2021 हमारा सरलता से निकले. तो रेमेडी क्या है? You should avoid red color clothes.